Hello, welcome back to my channel again. InitialOfEarn. If you want to earn from home like I do, so make sure this is the channel. Only subscribe it and click the bell button for more notification. Have a good day.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with another video. Today guys, another topic, but the same topic. Last time I uploaded a video about TauCoin. TauCoin is a best coin. It is not listed in the market, but you can exchange or withdraw to your wallet. And Android wallet, I recently uploaded about the video that you can send your TauCoin from your Android wallet. I will show you. I recently upload a proof of withdrawal. So I just open my see and TauCoin. If as you can see, I have 0 TauCoin. You can see my balance is 0 now because I got into my wallet address. You can see the transaction and detail, and here is my Android wallet application TauCoin address. As you can see, amount 689 into my Android wallet applications. You can see the date, and this is transaction ID, and this is April 18, 2019. So here is the time, and if I will show you I want to show you my applications. You can see here's my TauCoin, and here is so as you can see, here is my balance. You can see 689 TauCoin in my web wallet, and I just got withdraw into my Android applications wallet. So you can see the date 2019 4/18, 2019 4/18. Okay, this is the April the month. You can see the time. So now I want to exchange. Here is the best exchange only. This is the only exchange that TauCoin is running out there, and you can exchange it into your any of your bonds, and you wish to exchange with another currency. So now today I will tell you that how to send your TauCoin into your exchange. Okay, so let's see. So first of all, you have to install the app. You can get this app on Play Stores. Okay, you just simply have to type a TauCoin. You will get the app. And you first of all, if you don't know how to use this application, first of all you will see this home page, and here is 0 balance, and you have to go on this manage and just click on this key, and you have to just generate your new private key, and you will see that address balance and public key and private key. Okay, so just simply go to your send and receive button, and here is your receiving address. Okay, so I have to send to my exchange wallet, so I just click on send button. Okay, I have to put my receiving address, and that is already my copy. Okay, my clipboard. So transaction fee is 0.18, so I have to put 688. Okay, so I just put memo. Just I think this is optional, so just click on this send button. Okay, So I want to save my TauCoin address. Okay, so if you click on deposit, you can see your deposit address. Just simply put you can see TW6A, and you can see TW6E, C and F. Okay, C and F. So put your amount, your address, and just click on send. Insufficient balance. Okay, so I have to put 688 and just click on this and proceed. Okay, just click on proceed button and just wait for the transaction send, and you can see if I click on this hard. Okay, here you can see 6 is minus, and I just received 418, and you can see the time and date. Okay, so if we go back and if you click on TauCoin, okay, so you can check the balance. So I have already spent this amount. You can check the transaction ID. The minimum fees is 0.01 TauCoin. Okay, so I have to wait for the transaction. I just reload my page. Wow guys, as you can see guys, so I have received 680. You can see the time and date 2019. It's instantly guys, so I'm really happy making and giving you a proof. You can see 688 and you can see 688. Okay, so thank you guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, I will give you another best site and ICO. Just simply subscribe my channel and click on the bell button for more notification if you really want interesting and amazing video. So you can subscribe it and wait for another one. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you so much for having on my video. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.